Welcome. If you've ever sent an important message on Messenger and it got lost in the chat, you know how frustrating it can be waiting for a reply. But did you know there's a super simple way to bring that message right back to the top of the conversation? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bump your messages on Messenger with the latest updated steps, so your messages never get overlooked again. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, scroll through your list of chats and tap on the conversation where you want to bump a message. This could be a chat with a friend, a group, or even a work contact. Any conversation where you need your message to stand out. Now, find the specific message you want to bump. Maybe it's a question you asked, an important link, or a reminder you don't want the other person to miss. Once you've found it, press and hold on that message. You'll see a menu pop up with a few different options. From the menu, tap on More. This will open up even more actions you can take with that message. Look for the option that says Bump and tap it. That's it. Your message will now be bumped, which means it'll be highlighted and brought to the attention of everyone in the chat. Bumping a message is a great way to make sure your important information doesn't get buried under new messages, especially in busy group chats. It's quick, easy, and super effective. So next time you're waiting for a reply or need to remind someone of something important, just follow these steps. Open Messenger, tap the chat, long press on your message, tap More, and then tap Bump. Your message will stand out, and you'll never have to worry about it getting lost again. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.